Hey guys, hope everybody is doing well. We're just trying something new. I think now we should be doing. Hey Gauri. Okay, I'm just waiting for Gauri to join in.
Hello.
Hey Gauri, how are you?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. Okay, finally I can see you.
You can see me. Yay.
I think we just have one viewer right now.
Okay.
But anyway, that should go up soon. Okay, the whole reason of we going live or we doing this today is a lot of people have asked me in these coming days, especially since I've been putting my posts up and things like
Mhm.
that, how did I lose so much weight? What did I do? How did I do? So my idea has been, okay, let's try communicating to people because somehow I get this feeling everybody has this feeling in mind that going losing weight is a very very complex, very difficult process. I see
Mhm.
that I see Instagram being filled with so many fitness trainers, all these transformations and all. It is hard work. I'm not saying it's not, but it's an enjoyable hard work. I think if somebody's seen my last reel that I've tried making is if you want to lose it, you have to move it. Okay, that is what it is very simple. You exercise, you follow a good diet. And when I say diet is, it's not that I've stopped eating. I don't know why people think I'm not eating and things like that. I eat properly. Yes, I've given up sugar, I've cut dairy products, but that doesn't mean I'm like, okay, on a very drastic diet. I eat now. Okay, everybody asked me who and all. A lot of people know Arso sir was one of the people who guided me. There's one Arjun. I hope someday we'll have him also in one of our sessions. And Gauri. Gauri has played a very important role. I have bugged Gauri like crazy. I think
Yes, he
since
has.
2000, since 2020, and I know Gauri from I think when I was 18, 19, and I used to work in a fitness center called Blue Boutique slash
Right.
Snap, since it was a Snap joint venture with them. So that's where I had met Gauri. So I've been in touch with Gauri for I don't know a lot of time. Now, for somebody who's getting to know Gauri, Gauri is somebody who has been in this sector for I think almost 2 decades. She is a
Little
registered
over.
dietitian, little over. Okay. We are giving out her age, indirectly. The She's a registered dietitian. Okay. So she's very proud about that fact because I know there are so many nutritionists, so many people claiming to know nutrition in and out. Gauri is somebody who's practiced, understood, enhanced the knowledge over these years. Gauri is also an American Council certified uh, ACE trainer. So even when it comes to training, Gauri has done that. Gauri, I would tell the people, yeah, what was it, helping me lose weight? Did we enjoy this? What was the whole thing? Is it that complicated for somebody to lose a little weight?
First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for having me on. Um, a weight loss journey doesn't have to be difficult. I think we make it difficult in our own heads. We over complicate things by asking too much of ourselves. And um, a- and to start off and to give people insight about your journey, let me be very clear. Pratik did the same thing. He was making things so complex in his head. And when he got in touch with me, and then he's like, Gauri, I want to do this, I want to be able to do this, and this is what I'm doing, yada 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 yada. And I'm like, whoa, calm down. Let's start step by step. And then, getting to understand what his goals were. And each goal, whether it's a long term goal or a short term goal, how it could be broken down for him to achieve it. I think you were very smart enough to get people on board who helped you, one with the knowledge, two with helping you break things down for you so that it was much easier to follow. And I know for a fact that, because we've known each other for so many years, I know for a fact that you want to know details about everything, but you will only listen when it's said in a way that you want it to be said, or even if it's not what you want to be said to you. But there is a way in which you like to communicate, and you do really well with that. So that's what basically my job was in this entire journey that we've had together in the last 1.5 years. So
So yeah, it's an ongoing journey. I won't say I've reached where
absolutely.
I want to be. We're still in process of still I'm trying to reach that ideal waist size. I never weighed myself, honestly. When this entire thing started, I never knew. My aim was I didn't even get on the treadmill and all that I'm going to lose weight. It just happened. But when I saw I'm in that particular position that I'm losing weight, I said, okay, let's make the most of it. I said, okay, this
I
is the
think
best time in life.
I think Pratik, when you started and I asked you, do you want to weigh yourself, and you were blatant about saying, I don't want to get on a scale. Okay, and that was one of your things. So, which anybody else would have really irritated, but like I know the other trainers who are with you, who you've been talking to. I talk to you in terms of nutrition and training. So we were very specific about how you're going to show that you were losing weight. How were you going to um, quantify it, you know? And you were very straightforward. I want my waist size to go. My pants have to be looser, and I want to get into the lower size of
See,
pants. And
see,
that worked,
exactly. See, the weighing scale has never been my friend, nor do I think it's
right?
going to be my friend anymore. I'm very happy not, being anywhere near a weighing scale, and I'm rather happy just with my waist size. I don't mind being heavy till my waist is in control. See, my always one philosophy has been, I hate my stomach punching outside when I sit. That's something which has always irritated me, and I hate that. So my whole intention has been, so, we're gonna come up with more and more videos. I will also put up a video of my entire journey of what I did, what all problems I've had. I'm also writing stuff down so that I can communicate
Absolutely.
because a lot of people are asking me a lot. Everybody has this mind block in their head. It's complicated that why is weight loss. Trust me, it's a 45 minutes to 1 hour game every day, not more than that. It actually should be lesser.
See,
And
I'll, I I think Pratik, when you talk about things like complicating it, it's how people behave with themselves that makes a big difference. So you know for a fact that I do a lot of counseling or behavioral questions that I ask, and I am not the one giving you the answers. I'm usually the ones asking you the questions so that you come up with your own answer. So that situational aspect of it really works. And that worked with you as well, because you found out your things that you could do, could not do, would not do. And that is, I think people just in their heads just overcomplicate things, and they're really, really hard on themselves. So that I
actually,
think that's, yeah,
there's so much information on the internet everywhere. See,
exactly.
one major thing is, you have to have qualified and experienced people with you in a journey like this.
Right.
If you I know there are 110 people today claim and there are 110 things they can give you just to make you lose weight, but that is actually not right. If you're trying to lose anything more than 2-3 kgs a month, it is very, very unhealthy. Don't try doing that. I know there are people
See,
using a lot of shortcuts.
yeah, so
So
what I'm going to suggest here is, like you said, go to a professional, somebody who's qualified, somebody who has the know-how, who's practiced that know-how over a period of time. It doesn't have to be somebody who's done 20 years or more like me. It can be somebody who's done practice at least for the last 5 years. Yes, if you want to encourage your younger friends who are just getting into the training arena or the nutrition arena, remember they have to have gone through practice under a guide, somebody who's more qualified than them. So that is
hmm.
something, those are the qualifications you're looking for. But at the end of the day, you want somebody you can click with, you can talk easily to, because all said and done, you want somebody, you can say,
Yeah,
I'm having a tough day today. I don't want to work out. I don't want to eat anything. I'm going to eat the biggest ice cream ever. And that somebody has to say, either talk you through it depending on your mood and what you are looking at, or be able to say, all right, chill one day. Okay, let
I
me
know a
take it
lot of
tomorrow.
people are saying it's easier said than done, but trust me, it's not that difficult.
It's
It
not
is
that
not
difficult.
that. If you guys want motivation, if you guys want any help in this journey to get motivated, get in touch with me. I'll be more than happy to motivate you for that. If you're looking for
Absolutely.
experienced trainers, there are many experienced trainers. You have Gauri also. You guys can DM Gauri if you have any
Absolutely.
queries. If you have any query related fitness diet, DM Gauri. Gauri, tell me one thing. Why?
Mhm.
What is this? Why are you so particular about this Gauri RD? I've seen that. Okay, it goes Gauri RD, registered
Yeah.
dietitian. I thought it's actually really dangerous. Knowing you for so many years, RD, and then
That
she's
too.
declaring I'm really
Well, that's
dangerous.
because you know me, so you know it actually stands for really dangerous. But no, that is my qualification. I've worked really hard, and those I know in the field who have passed a nationalized exam, who have gone through years of schooling in terms of learning clinical aspects, the physiological aspects, the biochemistry of nutrition and the body, and how the biomechanisms of the body work. I'm really proud of that because I put in that hard work. I've achieved something that a lot of people aspire to do. A lot of people in the nutrition realm today don't have. And they are giving knowledge. I'm not, okay. There's a lot of knowledge out there that is provided by people who are underqualified. That's what I feel, you know.
Ex-
And
ex-
and that's one of the reasons I like to put that RD because that is my qualification. I have
Yeah,
worked really hard for that.
there's a lot of misinformation, especially from highly influenced people who are not specialists
Exactly.
of this particular field. We have
Oh
seen
yeah.
that the trolls that are going on about
The
one
zero
scoop,
calorie ones. Yes, yes. I love those.
the way is carb free, so 0 calorie. Oh, cool, brother. And then there's one more. One scoop of whey will take you 3 years to digest. Oh God, I
Yeah.
have had like I don't know how many dabbas of whey. कितने साल लगेंगे?
No, so
Calculator
I
चाहिए
mean
होगा.
there are a lot of things that people in my profession who are qualified like me, like who are registered dietitians and or registered dietitian nutritionists. We really want to dispel this because we work towards understanding what is the truth, what not the truth. I'm going to say what is the fact because truth can be different based on perception. Facts remain the same. So that's basically what we're trying to do is put facts out there. Keep the client or the person in front of us informed so they can make an informed decision. We don't want people to read a lot of stuff out there and say, oh, this must be right, so I'm going to do this. Ask questions. We want that dialogue. We want to put facts out there so people can do the right thing for themselves. And at the end of the journey, remember, everybody has their own journey. You can give 100 people the same workout and the same nutrition, but their bodies will show different results. Always.
Okay, we have given something. So guys, we're going to be putting up much more. At least we're going to try to create some content. Let's see how well it is. Our idea is basically to help out a lot of people who struggle through me. I've gone through that struggle of body being heavy, being fat throughout my life, things like that. I'm not saying I
Hmm.
can't go back there, it's a long way, but still, our aim is to help people whoever wants, and 100% we're here to help people who want that. Gauri is there, I am there. So, this has been a very interesting session, Gauri. So,
Thank
thank
you.
you for your time, and I shall be troubling you again and again.
I look forward to it. I'm sure you will.
I'll enjoy doing that. Chalo, take care,
Thanks,
Gauri.
Pratik. Bye.
Sign off. Bye. Thank you, everyone.